Need to edit a PDF in Microsoft Word? You don't need expensive software or complicated tools. In this video, I'll show you how to convert any PDF into an editable Word document online, completely free, using MyPocketPDF. Open the MyPocketPDF and navigate to the Convert from PDF and select PDF to Word. You can access the PDF to Word tool directly from the link in the description. Uploading your file is simple. Just drag and drop your PDF, or click to browse and select a file from your device. MyPocketPDF processes your documents securely, and your files are automatically removed after conversion to help protect your privacy. For documents such as resumes, reports, letters, or contracts, choose the Editable Document option or choose Auto. This helps preserve the original formatting. Once you're ready, click Convert. The process usually takes only a few seconds, depending on the size of your document. When the conversion is complete, simply download your new DOCX file. Let's open the converted file in Microsoft Word. As you can see, the text is fully selectable and editable. You can update content, fix mistakes, adjust formatting, and save the document just like any normal Word file. MyPocketPDF is designed to make PDF conversion simple and efficient. Whether you need to convert PDFs to Word, merge files, compress documents, or perform other PDF tasks, everything is available in one place.